Every family has secrets, but few are as terrifying, as soul crushing as the one we are about to reveal. This is the true story of Sarah, a woman from Soweto whose seemingly peaceful childhood was built on a foundation of absolute terror, a foundation guarded by a creature known only in whispers and dread. Sarah believed her grandfather, Papa Vusi, was simply a wise man, a successful businessman, and a respected elder of their community. But the truth, Papa Vusi was a summoner, and his long kept family secret was demanding its first payment. Sarah remembers the signs, subtle at first. There was a specific back room in their large family house, always locked. No one entered it, not even the cleaners. If you stood too close, you could hear a faint scraping sound, like something small, hard, and angry moving quickly across the floorboards. Papa Vusi would often return late, sometimes smelling strongly of ash and strange herbs. He would bring gifts, always small, often unsettling. A shiny pebble, a lock of hair wrapped in cloth, or sometimes just a single raw piece of meat. These items would be taken into the forbidden room. Sarah and her siblings were repeatedly warned, never go near that room, never look into the keyhole, do not speak of what you hear. They thought it was just an old man's eccentricity. They were terribly, dangerously wrong. The truth only came out after Papa Vusi's death. Sarah, now a young woman, was tasked with clearing out his old belongings. They finally opened the locked room. What they found wasn't just a shrine or a hoard of money, it was a dwelling place. The walls were covered in dried blood and cryptic symbols. In the center was a strange small straw mat, and beside it, an ornate carved box. When Sarah opened the box, she didn't find jewelry or gold. She found a leather-bound journal. The journal contained Papa Vusi's desperate, sprawling handwriting, and there, on the very first page, was the confession. I, Vusi, have summoned a Tokoloshe for the prosperity of this family. The Tokoloshe, the malevolent, hairy creature of African folklore, summoned for dark protection and wealth, demanding horrific payments in return. Our family wasn't blessed. They were paying a horrifying spiritual debt. The journal revealed the cause. The Tokoloshe was bound to the house, and with Papa Vusi gone, it needed a new master, or it would take a new payment. The creature began to roam. Sarah would see small, terrifying footprints in the dust. Her baby sister began waking up screaming, with unexplained scratches on her back. The spirit was getting impatient. Finally, they called the only person who could help, a powerful, distant Sangoma. She attempted a cleansing ritual, but the creature refused to leave. The Sangoma was thrown back, screaming that the Tokoloshe was too strongly bound by the grandfather's power. It didn't just want a sacrifice, it wanted to claim the next male heir, Sarah's innocent 4-year-old son. If you were shocked by this story, please let us know in the comments below. Like this video, subscribe to this channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next dark secret we expose. Until next time, stay safe.